Chapter 2. Working of Computer. Learning Objective. Processing in Computer. Hardware and Software. Computer is an electronic machine. It runs on electricity. It takes inputs from the user. It uses some program, set of instructions, to process these inputs. Finally, it delivers outputs as per your requirements. It can also store your data. You can retrieve this data later on. Computer works on a method which is input, process, output. Input means to take in the information. Devices which help the computer to take in information are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner etc. Then, computer examines and calculates them. This is called processing. And then, it gives out the result accordingly. Devices which show the result are called output devices. For example, monitor, speakers, printer etc. Fact corner. Computer comprises of different parts which are connected with one another. Each part of computer plays very important role whenever we use a computer. Processing in computer. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the part of a computer system that is commonly referred to as the brain of a computer. The CPU is also known as the processor or microprocessor. The CPU is responsible for executing a sequence of stored instructions called a program. Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU, it performs the arithmetic and logical operations. Control Unit, CU, it controls the flow of input, process and output of the computer. Memory Unit, MU, it stores the input and output data. Input Devices. Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU, Control Unit, CU, Memory Unit, MU, Output Devices. Memory Unit. Memory is the most essential element of a computer system because without it computer can't perform simple tasks. Computer memory is of two basic types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is also called the main memory or internal memory of the computer. It is comprised of the memory devices RAM and ROM that are necessary for working of a computer. RAM, Random Access Memory. It is the main memory that stores data temporarily. The data remains in this memory until the computer is switched off. This memory is also known as a volatile memory. ROM, Read-Only Memory. This memory contains an unchangeable set of permanent instructions which appear on the screen when the computer is turned on. This memory is also known as non-volatile memory. Secondary memory. This type of memory is also known as external memory. These are used for storing data, information permanently. Contents of secondary memories are first transferred to main memory and then, CPU can access it. For example, CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drive etc. Hardware and software. Hardware and software are the main components of any computing device. Hardware. Those physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch are called hardware of a computer. A computer system has many hardware parts. Let us look at them. Computer system. Input devices. Keyboard, mouse, scanner etc. Processing devices. Central Processing Unit, CPU. Output devices. Monitor, speakers, printer etc. Storage devices. Hard disk CD or DVD-ROM, pen drive etc. Software. A set of programs that is designed to perform a specific task is known as software. There are mainly two types of software. These are System software. Application software. System software. A system software controls overall functioning of the computer. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. For example, operating system, OS, such as Linux, Unix etc. Application software. An application software is a set of one or more programs, designed to solve a specific problem or perform a specific task. It helps to do calculations, draw pictures, play movies etc. For example, Microsoft Word, Paint, Google Docs, Microsoft Excel etc. Concise. Computer uses some programs to process the inputs. Control unit controls the flow of input, process and output of the computer. The memory unit is the principal storage of the computer. Primary memory is also called the main memory.